Hi guys, this is Chef Kunal Kapoor and today I'll be introducing to you one of my most essential tools in the kitchen, Hamilton Beach Professional Juicer Mixer Grinder to get pro results at home. Now, if you've already purchased your Hamilton Beach Professional, then congratulations guys, you've done the right thing. But if you are one of those who are still contemplating which juicer mixer grinder to buy, then hold on a second, watch the video, and by the end of this video, you will have more than enough reasons to go for Hamilton Beach Professional. This brilliant product is like an extension of our hands. Through collaboration with Indian engineers and culinary experts, we have developed the world's greatest juicer mixer grinder. The Hamilton Beach Juicer Mixer Grinder comes with 3 high-quality stainless steel jars. The 0.5 litre, 1 litre and 1.5 litre, along with a scraper and a tamper. To assemble the jars, simply position this part of the lid to match it onto the jar handle. Press gently from top and press the locking tabs to secure the lid to the jar. To unlock the jar, simply open the locking tabs. Place your thumb facing upwards towards the lid. Now pull apart the lid to remove it from the jar. All these jars will not leak, crack or dent thanks to the robust double ball bearing cutter assemblies, thick gauge premium stainless steel and shatterproof Triton lids with gasket and locking tab. These Triton lids come with a rubber gasket that makes the jar leak proof. The filler cap allows you to add ingredients in stages while the machine is still running. Expertly designed system lets you effortlessly mix and grind the toughest ingredients, especially in Indian cooking, both wet and dry. The square jar shape and the flow breakers keeps the food circulating while grinding for superior performance. One-piece construction made with thick hardened stainless steel easily handles every ingredient with no need to change the blade. This base of Hamilton Beach Juicer Mixer Grinder is the heart of this machine. To start using the machine, simply press the power switch to on, placed on the side of the base. This is the control panel of the machine. To interlock the jar to the base, simply align the unlock sign on the jar to the arrow mark on the base of the machine. Twist to lock the jar to the base. Jar interlock status indicator reminds you to safely interlock the jar to the base before beginning. Brakes stop the blade from spinning in less than 2 seconds if lid is removed during use. The timer indicator on manual mode indicates the time elapsed since the start of the grinding. Using the speed selection dial, control the speed of the blend. You can go super slow at 3000 rpm to fast at 18,000 rpm. And on preset mode, the timer indicates the time remaining for the task to be complete. You can also choose from the presets on the machine to make your work on the ingredients more precise. Press preset to reveal the wide range of smart tasks that Hamilton Beach Professional Juicer Mixer Grinder can perform for you. Using the process selection button, choose the preset as per your requirement. Then select the grind selection button to choose the precise amount of juicing, mixing or blending required. Then simply press start. This green light indicates motor temperature is normal. The dry preset, as the name suggests, can be used to dry grind ingredients like spices, nuts, grains, etc. My recommendation is to use the 0.5 litre jar for dry grinding the spices in smaller batches. This preset should be used for grinding ingredients that have moisture and are a bit hard or tough. For example, idli batter, dosa batter, ginger paste, garlic paste, purees, coconut, etc. This preset should be used for grinding ingredients that have moisture and are soft and pulpy. For example, tomatoes, curries, fruits and vegetable purees, hummus, etc. This preset will puree ingredients, whether raw or cooked, right down to the consistency of a soup. Run the ingredients a bit longer to heat up the soup. Use this preset to take cold or fresh ingredients and automatically make piping hot delicious soups. Using the blend preset, make homogeneous mixtures like the mayonnaise, lassi, milkshakes, dressings, emulsions, etc. Select partial or full depending upon the quantity of ingredients inside the jar. The Hamilton Beach Professional Juicer Mixer Grinder comes with the pulse option, wherein you can press and release the pulse button at your will to obtain the desired texture or blend. So guys, get going into your kitchens and start using your Hamilton Beach Professional Juicer Mixer Grinder and say hello to perfection.